Hi guys, it's Alex again, and today I'm with my sister, who's there.
Hi.
And my mum and granddad are in there, and Jason's there. And it's pancake day, and Jason's trying to make a pancake.
How far is Easter?
He's trying to show off.
No, I'm not showing off.
Exactly.
I don't like these.
Because he's failing at showing off. So
Samantha,
I don't like pancakes, but I'm gonna
What,
try
Babs?
Jason's.
I like pancakes. That's my acid.
Me and Samantha both don't like pancakes. Let's
Are
see
you
your
serious?
let's see your thing. Let's see how you make them.
Okay.
Ooh. They look good, but I
It's
just
not
don't
even
like
on the
them.
heat.
No.
We'll put it on the heat there.
Wow, of course it isn't. Ow, my toe's swelling.
swelling.
You almost just stood on my swelling toe.
Mister, I'm toast.
What do you say about that?
Right, you do it then. You go surprise me. Don't forget to keep that one in there.
Alright, I will.
Oh, I'm gonna turn around because you know.
Hi,
You know
Mum.
what? Hi. Right, you stand back.
Oh, Jason's being sassy.
Do you know what I did? Because you know what I did? It went like that.
I took it off the meat to try and make it move, you know, so you
Right,
can.
Whoa!
then.
Wait, move it again. Move the pan again.
Just stand still.
Wait, Mum.
And let him do it.
Wait, move the pan away again.
Come on, Jason.
Jason.
No,
What's the
Samantha said she could do
Wait,
better than me.
wait,
so
what?
I'm pretty
Will
intrigued.
you do that one and Jason can do that one?
Wait,
There.
someone move the
You've got one
pan. Someone move a pan so you can see the red bit. Is blue on here. Jason, look at the camera. When it moves, move it. Move the pan. It's blue. It's purple. It's weird.
Well, I am colourblind, so I don't know. If
I could probably. I can see purple. Me and Jason might be colorblind. I want to try. You have to flip it.
What are you saying about moving it? What are you saying? What are you saying?
You have to flip it. Wow, you
This
ruined
is so
it.
thin,
That's boiling.
Oh yes, this is a crack.
It's like a taco. A taco.
Help. Why is it so... I can do it! It's really thin.
Flip it.
Flip it 'cause it'll animate.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh! Yeah, that's what you have to do. Kind of.
Try.
Made it into a crack.
Oiled.
No, you don't need all that.
Oily pancake. I'm putting Nutella on mine. I want some Nutella in it. Anyway. Jason, hold the camera. Just a sec. And show them your mad skills. Mad
I don't
skills.
know, why would I drop it?
Show them
Is that
some-
purple or is it red? I'm thinking that's like a weird purple.
That's a weird purple. It's a weird
Read on the
purple.
camera.
On there?
Yeah.
It's purple. That's creepy. Guys, if you have an oven like ours, then it looks red, but it's purple. Right, we're finally done making pancakes. Mom, you can come back. We're finally done.
I kind of. Well, that one.
That one kind of failed.
No, well, we've done so that's okay.
That's a bit too much.
Oil's
Just
tasty.
put a dribble.
But oil's tasty.
Yeah, oil is tasty.
Fattening.
Oh, Mum. Skills.
Right, stand still, Alex.
No.
Excuse me, Jace. Oh. Shift out my way while I try one. I need a spoon. Are you trying some, Jace? Excuse me.
Okay.
Anyone want
Sugar.
sugar or is it just me?
I want a bit of sugar.
Oh, okay.
Right.
I'm just trying a little bit. Put Nutella on.
Do you have lemon?
No, I knew you was going to bloody well ask that.
Oh, what? You like lemon?
That. No, sugar. I thought, coming up there, I thought, what's Jason say?
Put a little scoop of Nutella on. You know what you need to do in the Nutella? Put it on the microwave
Yeah, you do.
for like 2 minutes, like half a minute. And then it will be perfect.
I'll set my mash out.
Our family is weird.
Alex, Oh, you're gonna cause an accident. Just stand still.
Hello.
Not on his face. He doesn't like that.
Might do.
Right.
Camera shot, what you saying?
Excuse me.
Can I flip it once?
I don't like cold pancakes.
Can I flip it once? Get off. Can I get some quickly?
You're trying them. Do you want a pancake, Dad? Pancake! What are you afraid?
No.
That's not good enough, is it? You get no chefy on the...
Stop being chefy. Flip it!
No, it's not ready yet. Nice, that cheese.
I need to try
You
some.
try Nelly, Jason.
No, we'll do this, right?
I'll try some.
It's a bit
Mum.
underdone, that one.
Mum, you have to hold the camera while I try it. Wait, is it nice?
I like underdone ones.
Mum, is it nice?
Lovely.
You have to film me.
Okay, well,
Don't press any buttons.
Let's hit.
Cut some off. There's a knife.
Don't flip it down, yeah. Yeah, you flip that.
Hate this.
Pass it Nutella, Samantha.
No, I don't like it
It's
like
very
that.
good.
Quick, save it.
Oh!
Wow.
Good save.
That's amazing, guys.
Nutella, Samantha.
Okay. No, I broke it.
Oh.
Actually good.
Breaks when your teeth can hear it.
Yeah.
It's just that it needs to go.
No.
It breaks when it goes in your mouth.
You can melt it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Really? I thought you just put it in your mouth and eat it.
Yeah, that's what I do.
You just what?
Put it in your mouth and eat it.
Yeah.
I just put it in my mouth and swallow.
There you go. Should we try a bit with Nutella now?
Yes. I want the underdone one.
Okay.
With Nutella. Oh. That one's much better.
Is it? I quite like the underdone ones. Tasty.
I like it with Nutella.
Yeah, taste that one, Jay.
How do you not like it? I never try things.
Really hot, is it?
It's not that hot. It's nice, isn't it? I want a
Nice
bit more.
one,
I want more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you've turned him, Jace.
Ow.
Somebody like, excuse me.
It's like when you have loads, it's sickly.
I like them like that.
Oh,
I
Jason.
used to make them like that.
Do it again.
Flick it on, just
One more time.
Can't flip it again, it's got to cook.
I'll do
Do a full flip,
There's another
not a
bit
half.
there.
Do a full flip. Oh, it's like
In the middle.
Daddy Pig. Oh God. Do more.
Don't get
You don't want to do more.
What?
A bit more.
Yeah, but don't put too much on because people might not want all Nutella on it. Lovely then, Jace. Thank you.
Thank you, Jason.
Mum.
I don't know, I've got the same craft there.
Jason, can you hold the camera and show them your mad skills? No, show them Samantha's mad skills. Of just being weird.
Bang.
You made me fail.
Hi, but right,
Oh, it
guys.
says pause.
Oh, right. Yeah, don't press it, because then it'll pause it again. Did you just press it?
No, it's on pause.
Alright, right, so don't press anything. Right, so guys,
It's not record. Oh,
I'm gonna go now, bye guys. Bye guys, see ya.